Welcome to another new video, guys. In this video we are going to make a simple chair assembly. So here you can see the drawing. So there are only four parts in this drawing. First one is the base structure, again this plate, second plate, and the screws. So for making this assembly, first we need to make this first plate. Okay, so now let's start the drawing. For making the first part, go to new part design. Okay, then here select front plane, sketch, then select a rectangle, center rectangle, and make a center rectangle from the origin point. Escape, go to the smart dimensions, and the total length of this rectangle will be 400 mm and breadth will be 200 mm. Okay, so take the smart dimension. Then we are going to make fillet on the corners. So select the fillet here and make this dimension 30 mm. Enter. Then select this edge, this edge, this edge also, and this edge, and okay. Then we need to extrude this part up to 20 mm. So go to the features. Okay, select okay. Go to features, extruded boss base, and extrude it up to 20 mm only. So 20, enter, again enter. Okay, then select this face, sketch, make it normal. So we need to make 4 holes here for the screw fitting. So make a circle here, again a circle here, again here, and again another one here. Okay, so now make a center line here, a vertical center line and a horizontal center line. Select this point, this vertical line, and this point, make it symmetric. Okay, again select this point, this line, and this point, make it symmetric. So select this point, this line, and this point, make it symmetric, and okay. Again select this point, this line, and this point, make it symmetric. Select okay. Again remaining two, select this point, this line, this point, and make it symmetric. Okay, so now let's give the dimension to the holes. Select smart dimension, select this one, give this one dimension, diameter 10 mm, and enter. Okay, then select this circle, press Ctrl, select this one also, this one, and make it equal. Okay, so now you can see all holes are same in dimension. Okay, so now the center to center distance between these two are 350 mm. So make it 350, enter. And the vertical distance between these two holes are 240 mm. So make it 240 mm, enter. Okay, this is not 240, this is 120. So change this 240 with 120 mm, enter. Okay, now go to features and extrude cut. Cut this folds up to next and okay. Okay, so this part is done now. So we are going to select the material. For the selection of the material, go to here and appearance. In appearance, go to in stones. We need to find wood here. So let's see where is the wood. Go to organic select wood. There are various types of wood, so we are going to select this one. Okay, so now you can see this is properly looking like a wood plate. So go to files, save as, and save this as chair part 1 and enter. So this part is done here. Okay, so now we are making the second part. So we are making this one, this plate. So let's make the second plate. Go to the SolidWorks, select new part design and okay. Go to the front plane, sketch, again select a center rectangle and draw a center rectangle from origin. Give this center rectangle dimensions of okay. Give this center rectangle dimensions of 400 mm by 400 mm. So this is a square, not rectangle. Again go to fillets, change this dimension with 30 mm, enter, select these 4 edges 1, 2, 3 and 4. Select OK and again OK. So fillets are given. Now again extrude this part with 20 mm. So go to extruded boss base, extrude this with 20 mm dimension and enter, again enter. Okay, again we are going to make holes for the screw fitting. So select this face, make it normal, and first we will make a horizontal and vertical center line. So make a vertical center line, again make a horizontal center line. Now make 4 circles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Select this point, this line, this point, make it symmetric. Okay, select this point, this line and this point, make it symmetric. Again select this point, this line and this point, make it symmetric. Okay, again select this point, this line and this point, make it symmetric and okay. So now go to smart dimension, give this whole dimension of diameter 10 mm, enter. Again escape, select this, press Ctrl, select remaining holes and make all equal and okay. So now we will fix the positions. So go to smart dimension, select center of this circle and this circle, and the horizontal distance will be 350 mm only. Okay, and again select this center point and the bottom circle center point, and this vertical distance will be 240 mm. Okay, so now you can see the holes are properly defined. So now go to features, extruded cut, select up to next and okay. Again select the polished wood, this one. Okay, select this part, go to the materials and select this one and done. Now the second part is also done properly. Save this part as part number 2. So go to files, save as, save this part as chair chair part 2 and enter. So this part is done here. Okay, so now we are making the third part. So here you can see in this drawing, third part is the screw, that will fit in these holes. So let's make this screw. Go to SolidWorks, select new part design and OK. Again go to the top plane, make it normal, go to sketch and start the sketch. Select a circle, make a circle from origin, escape. Go to smart dimension, give the circle dimension of diameter 10, enter. And go to features, extruded boss base, extrude this circle up to 25 mm and enter, again enter. Okay, so now select this one face, go to sketch, make it normal. Again we will make a circle. This circle is having diameter of 15 mm. So select this one, give this circle dimension diameter 15 and enter. And go to features, extruded boss base, and extrude this circle up to 8 mm only, not 18, 8 mm, enter, again enter. Okay, so again select this face, go to sketch, make it normal. Here make a vertical center line and select the polygon here, make a polygon, escape, and select this point, control and this line, and make it coincide, so the polygon will be properly vertical. Go to smart dimension and distance between these two lines will be 10 mm only, so enter 10. Go to features, extruded cut, and make this cut up to 5 mm. So replace this 8 mm with 5 mm and enter, again enter. Okay, so now we are going to make the threads. So go to the wizard hole, thread. Okay, so here this is asking for thread location, so select this edge, and here you can see we can change the dimension of thread from here. So if I change this with 10 mm, the threads only will be on 10 mm. So this total length is 25 mm, so I am making this dimension 25 mm, 25, enter. And the thread distance we can change from here as per the standards. So the threads are done properly, select OK. And we are going to color this, so select the part, go to colors and make this screw dark red and OK. So go to files, save as, and save this part as chair part 4 and enter. So this part is done here. Okay, so now we are making the last part of this assembly. So here you can see we are making this structure to support the chair, the main part of this chair. So this is part 3. For making this part, go to SolidWorks, here select new part design and OK. Here simply go to front plane, sketch, it will automatically be normal. Start sketch, take a line, make a horizontal line, give this horizontal line dimension of 400 mm. Again select line, make a vertical line and give this vertical line smart dimension of 450 mm and enter. Again make a horizontal line. This line is also 450 mm, and again make a inclined line here, escape. So the length of this line is 450 mm. Again enter and select this line and this line and make the angle 105 degree, enter. So now this sketch is properly defined. Let's make a fillet here. This fillet is having a radius of 10.74 mm. So 10.74, enter and select this edge and OK. Again select OK and exit this sketch. Okay, so in this video we are going to use a new feature. So we will make a reference geometry here. Select reference geometry plane, select this line as a first reference, and as a second reference select this point and okay. So here you can see this plane is perpendicular to the line. Okay, so select this plane, go to sketch, make it normal. Here we are making the profile that we need. So select a center rectangle, make a center rectangle from here, give this center rectangle length of 50 mm and breadth of 5 mm only. Select OK and exit the sketch. Okay, so now hide this plane. What we are going to use, we are going to use a new feature called swept boss base. So select swept boss base. Here this is asking for a profile. So this is our profile. Select this profile and we need a guide curve. So select this guide curve. Okay, so now here you can see this is adding material up to the guide curve, and this profile will be the same rectangle as we make at the bottom of this surface. So select OK. Now we are going to make fillets. So go to fillets and select the edges to fillet. So we are selecting this edge, again the bottom two edges. So this edge and this edge also, and make this dimension 30 mm. Not 30, make this 25. So it will be a semicircle. Select OK. So now this is a proper stand for the chair, but there are one only remaining part. We are going to make the holes for the screw fitting. So select this face, go to sketch, make it normal and make a horizontal center line and select circle, make a circle here, again make a circle here. Go to the smart dimension, give this circle smart dimension of diameter 10 and this one also diameter 10. Okay, so this circle is 80 mm away from this line, so give this dimension 80 mm. And again the center to center distance between these two circles are 240 mm. Select this center and give the dimension of 240 mm, enter and select features, extruded cut, and here select up to next. Okay, so here you can see we made two holes here. Again we need to make same holes here. So select this face, sketch, make it normal and go to center line, make a vertical center line from the origin. So make a line from here up to here, escape. Now take a circle, make a circle here and at the bottom side, give the smart dimension of diameter 10 to the both circles, this one and this one also. Now the center to center distance between these two holes are 120 mm. Okay, and the vertical distance of this point and this point will be 150 mm. Okay, go to features, extrude cut, select up to next, and okay. So we will color this part as green. So select this part, go to colors, make this part light green, and select OK. So here we are finished the last part of this assembly. So go to save as, save this as chair part 3 and save. So this is all part, guys. We will see the assembly in another video. So we will upload this next part of assembly as soon as possible.